Hello, Chef here. I thought I'd give you a little bit of apple carving today. So here we go. I've got this small apple. Can you identify this apple? All right, it's a Honeycrisp. Nice slices. I do believe this is a first on YouTube. We'll call this the star-shaped paper apple. Here we go, just a little bit of carving. I like the bottom more than the top on this apple. So we're going to do a couple things here like this. Okay, that apple was just a little bit too crispy for a good carving. So instead I'm just going to give you some thin slices with the turbo knife. Show you what this baby can do. Really, really thin. All right, look at that. Wow. Just gonna eat this apple, by the way. Just wanted to share a couple of ideas with you. And to my surprise, the apple was just a little bit too crispy. So those are some super, super thin slices. You can see how nice they are. Apple is beautiful. So I can see right through that one. All of these really nice. So anyway, that's the video. Like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Keep cooking. Have a great day. Stay tuned for some more carving videos and some more cool stuff. Porsche Turbo. Yeah, I like it. Hello, Chef here, once again reviewing a knife. Let's take a closer look. This is the Turbo knife, forged in Germany, designed by F.A. Porsche. Special blue pearl, designating the Turbo series by F.A. Porsche. This is designed by F.A. Porsche. Just like the cars. Wow, fast. Let me tell you. This baby's got the special KA6 edge. It's got a 60-degree Rockwell hardness along the edge, and it's super sweet.